A federal bankruptcy judge in Dallas is holding off closing Roger Williams and Fatima hospitals for now.
The judge approved the sale of the hospitals to nonprofit Centurion back in February, but current owner Prospect Medical Holdings says talks are taking too long and is asking to close the hospitals by the end of the year. Kate Wilkinson watched today's hearing. She joins us with what you need to know. Kate?
Well, Shannon and Mike, Centurion says it has struggled to get funding to make the purchase happen. But speaking in person at today's hearing in Texas, Attorney General Peter Neronha told Centurion to, quote, put up or shut up.
During Tuesday's federal court bankruptcy hearing in Dallas, the judge appeared frustrated that the sale of Roger Williams and Fatima hospitals here in Rhode Island remain in flux. Federal law prohibits us from recording the hearing. The judge wanted answers from current owner Prospect Medical Holdings and potential buyer Centurion on why the transfer hasn't moved forward since she approved the sale back in February, saying, quote, I've never seen one take this long. An attorney representing Centurion says it is in talks with Bank of America as it tries to secure financing. But an attorney representing Prospect says each month that passes, the company is losing millions. Last week, Prospect filed paperwork to close the hospitals by the end of the year or have the state take over. House Speaker Joe Shekarchi says a state takeover is an option, but not the best one.
But it's a lot more complicated. These are not under state control right now. They're a privately held institution in the federal bankruptcy court.
Speaking in person in Texas, Rhode Island Attorney General Peter Neronha placed the blame on Centurion, saying the company keeps moving the ball. He pleaded with the judge to keep the hospital open and vowed to keep coming to Texas until the deal is finalized. Prospect and Centurion were set to meet after the hearing. The judge stopped short of putting out a formal order, but told negotiators they should keep working in person until a deal is reached, adding she hoped they packed their toothbrushes. Back in Rhode Island, Shekarchi says California-based Prime Healthcare is waiting in the wings as another potential buyer. Governor Dan McKee says he's not going to let the hospitals close.
But at this point in time, Centurion we're still trying to get that over the finish line. Okay. But the main issue is we do not want that hospital to close, and we're doing everything we can to make sure that doesn't happen.
In a statement today, the Rhode Island Medical Society re-upped its concerns about the potential closure, writing that it would have profound consequences for patients, physicians, and the entire healthcare system. Live in the studio, Kate Wilkinson, 12 News.